In this guide, I will show you step by step how to log in online in Monzo banking. So guys, go to Google and search for Monzo login and then click this option. As you can see here, login option. After that, friends, you will see this page. Just await, you will see this page. From the top corner, click login. So friends, from here, write your email address or your user. For example, this is my user, and then write your password. After that, click log in, this option. So guys, this is how you can do. It is easy steps. I have this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this video. If you want to log in on app, just click Monzo app. After that, download this app on App Store. You can download through Google Play or App Store. You can use this QR code to download your app in UK resident. It is sure, and then you can log in successfully without any problems. So friends, I have this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content.